All right, guys, this is it. We're gonna draw the leader of the um, Bivalven crew from that TV show Escape from Agrigor. Tonight, we're gonna draw the first alien the Ultimatrix has scanned. We're gonna draw a water hazard. Yeah, one of my all-time favorites. This is the real water hazard, not like that other one that they call Overblow. Anyhow, water hazard. He has the power to control water and blast it at enemies, and he can absorb the moisture from the air, so that his enemy's armor would be crusted and turned to dried up stone. What a nice guy. And he helped Pandora find his way home. Tonight. Also, he's got this secret bomb that allows people to restore their powers again. That's a really nice thing to do. Now we draw this mark here. Next! Now we draw this panel here. Next! Draw this piece and move it up here. Next! This is the hood for the suit that Water Hazard uses to protect himself. And of course, he's got special attack figure, the one that shoots water. I did have another one as well, the regular kind actually. Now we draw the black spots here. Now we draw the claws here. The first time we saw Ben transform into Water Hazard was in that fight against Pandora in his open state. That was the first time we ever saw Ben transform into him. That was pretty awesome. I hope we see more transformations like that. There he is. That is how you draw a Water Hazard. That is so interesting. Eleanor wonders why does Water Hazard have water powers? Otherwise known as H20. And why he has spots. Anyway, we finally drew them all. Water Hazard, NRG, Terra Spin, Armadillo, and Amphibian. All of them have been drawn up. Anyhow, that's how you draw all of them. Please like your blog and subscribe to my channel, and let me know which one of them you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.